In this video, you will learn how to change your LLC address in Alabama. Review the Alabama requirements. Check the Alabama Secretary of State website or consult with a professional to confirm the exact filing requirements for your changing your LLC's address in Alabama. Obtain the correct form. Download the Amendment of Certificate of Formation form, also called Article of Amendment, from the Alabama Secretary of State website. Fill out the form. Provide your LLC's legal name, current address, new address, and any other required business details. Make sure you double check it for accuracy to confirm it is all correct. Prepare the filing fee. Include your required state filing fee with your form. Fees may vary, so confirm the current amount before you submit. Submit the form. Send the completed form and payment to the Alabama Secretary of State website, Business Service Division, and you can either send it by mail or online. Update other records. After approval, updating your LLC's new address with the IRS, any bank accounts you may have, licenses, permits, and business contacts to keep your record consistent. Now you know how to change your LLC address in Alabama. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.